How to remove CAPTCHA in Omegle laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove CAPTCHA in Omegle laptop. First of all, open your web browser. Now go to the Omegle website. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on the settings option. From here, go into privacy and security. Go to the cookies and site data section. Click on the add option. Write omegle.com and click on add. Now the CAPTCHA will be removed from Omegle. Go back to the Omegle website. Click on the video option and tick the boxes. Now click on confirm and continue. There is no more ReCAPTCHA on your Omegle. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.